Welcome back to Simon's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you some tips for this watch, Casio LF20W. Anyway, if you want to know more about this watch, you can check the review in our channel. The first one is the button mute or the button silent. And to do that, press and hold the mode button on the bottom left, like this. And next, we will see this icon for the mute is active, meaning that the button operation is now silent or mute. So if you press any button, it will not make any beeping sound. But still for the alarm, it's still active, so don't worry about that. Also for the countdown timer, it's still active. And to deactivate the mute operation or the mute mode or the silent mode, you can press and hold the mode button again, like this. Okay, now the mute mode or the silent mode is off. And now the button will make beeping sound again, like this. Okay, the next one is the LCD check, and to do that you need to be in the timekeeping mode. And yeah, it shows here the day, month, date and so on, but if not, then you need to press the mode button several times until it is on the timekeeping mode, and then press the three buttons at the same time: adjust, mode and search. So you might need to position the watch like this and then use three fingers to press three buttons at the same time. Okay, sorry about that. And yes, this is the LCD check screen, the first screen. Then you can press the search button to move to the next screen. Okay, and then press again, it will show this code, and then again it returns to the timekeeping mode. The next one is the alarm sound check, and to do that you need to be in the alarm mode. And yeah, we need to press this mode button several times until we are this one in the ALM alarm mode. And to do the sound check or the sound demo, we need to press the search button and hold, so it will make this beeping sound. Okay, and then the next one is the demo mode, and we need to be in the timekeeping mode. So I will press the mode button several times until we are in the timekeeping mode, this one, and then press and hold the search button on the bottom right. Okay, and it will show this one, the demo mode. So it will change from T1, T2, T3 and T4 by itself. And yeah, cool, right? Okay, to exit from this demo mode, just press any button. So let me just press the adjust button, and yes, we are returning to the timekeeping mode. The next one is that if you already set the T1, T2, T3 and T4 and you want to swap, maybe let's say T3 becoming T1 and T1 becoming T3, you can swap with the T1 using these tips. So for example, this one, the T1, and then this is the T2 Singapore, and T3 is Madrid. Okay, if you want to put Madrid as T1, swap with the original T1 Bangkok. So to do that, just press the search button until we are in the T3 for the timekeeping mode, and then press this adjust and light button at the same time. Okay, now it is switch T2 Singapore, T3 Bangkok. Okay, that was T1, and then T1 is Madrid. And yeah, I will return again. So okay, and then press the adjust and light button. Okay, T1 again Bangkok, and then T3 is Madrid. And also another tip for this one, for the timekeeping mode, if you want to use one of the time in the world time to become T1, it is easy. So first we need to be in the world time mode like this. Okay, for example, if you fly to some country abroad and then you want to use that time or that location as the T1, for example this one, Rio, you want to use Rio as T1, you don't need to set at the timekeeping mode, but you just need to press this adjust and light button at the same time. Okay, so like this. And yes, now if we move this mode button to the timekeeping mode, wait, okay, T1 is Rio as you see before. Okay, T1 Rio, so you don't need to set using the adjust and then move through the menu and so on. You can just use that tips to use the time from the world time becoming T1. Okay, and yeah, that's all for today's tips, but let me return the T1 to become Bangkok again. So wait, I'm using the world time. Okay, so this is the world time Bangkok, and I want to use this as T1, so I just press the adjust and light button. And now if I move to the timekeeping mode, the T1 is Bangkok again. Okay, and that's all for the tips. Hopefully useful, and thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.